Alright, hey guys, it's Friday. It is 9 p.m. I was supposed to have a video uploaded by now, but I don't. I was procrastinating all day, and I also hung out with my friends in the morning, but I still have a couple hours before Friday's over, so technically I can still upload. This is really going to feel like submitting an assignment at like 11:59. This is really what it's going to feel like tonight. In an attempt to make a quick video, I figured, why not do a what's in my camera backpack video? So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, so this isn't gonna be a super professional what's in my camera backpack video. I do want to do one where it's like I'm taking the product out and then I'm doing B-roll of it, so that will come eventually. But for today, since I'm in a little bit of a time crunch, I'm just gonna show you what's in my backpack. Alright, so in the first zipper over here, pretty simple, we keep our keys. And my wallet. Actually, if you want to see this is pretty cool. I have a R2-D2 and C3PO key. I think it's pretty cool. And on the side, pretty simple, I keep my tripod, and this backpack's really cool because it comes with a little buckle, so it'll keep your tripod in place. But we'll take that out for now. And now it's time for the main compartment. So the zipper opens up on the side. And if you've never seen a camera backpack before, they open up laying flat, not like how regular backpacks open up like, you know. Alright, so this is the main compartment. As you can see, there's a lot going on in here, so I'm just gonna take everything out one by one. So right here, we have my gimbal. This is the Xyon Crane M2, and it comes with this nice little case and also the gimbal. So this is a great product. It's super small, fits in your backpack nice, and it comes with a hard shell case, so how can you not love that? On the side right here, we have a little squeezy. I have no idea what this is called, but you basically squeeze this onto your camera lens to like blow off dust and stuff. So over here, we have an old sunglasses case, but inside, I keep a bunch of stuff that, you know, I might need when I'm out and about. This is a little lens cleaner. This is lens spray, pliers, and a screwdriver to take my camera off my camera cage. Over here, pretty cool, I have my Apple Magic Trackpad. I keep it in this pouch that came with the Viltrox lens that I unboxed a couple weeks ago, and it fits perfect, so I keep that in there too when I'm editing on the go. I also have this. This is an old DS case, but it's pretty useful because I keep all my memory in there. So as you can see, I have an SD card, a flash drive, I have my iPad adapter, some AirPods in here, and I also have a charging brick and cable for my iPad. And then over here, on this side, we have my hard drive, which is the most important thing in this box. In this box, we have, it's a lot of boxes inside the backpack. I just like keeping my things safe, but in this box, we have some more headphones. These are in-ear monitors. These are just the headphones that I bring with me just in case like the environment's kind of loud. The AirPods really don't block out any sound, but these, if you can see, basically you squeeze them down like this, they shrink, and then they expand in your ear. I don't know how well the video is going to show that, but these are great headphones, and they also look really cool. Alright, so over here is the main compartment of the main compartment. So right here we have a little side grip for the gimbal, which I like to keep just in case I want to have a little two-hand action. So this is just an articulating arm that I like to keep with me just in case I want to mount anything onto my camera cage. This is really cool because as you can see right now, everything's tight and nothing moves. But if you loosen this, the whole thing moves. And even these parts right here, the moving ball head, that locks into place when you lock this into place. So it's not going to move when you lock it in place, and it makes it super convenient to just throw anything on to the cage and to have it how you like it. Next, we have a field view monitor, which has cables that are being held together with hair ties. So this is my HDMI, it's a mini HDMI cable which plugs into my camera, and this is a USB to micro USB to charge this with a portable charger that I have in this compartment. But it makes it super convenient because I can just slap the portable charger right into the back of it, use the hair ties to keep it in place, and it powers this, so I don't have to use battery, which makes it really convenient to use. Over here is just another little tripod thing, just to be able to screw onto anything really, just if I need to stand something up. And now we have the lenses. So in this little pouch, we have the Canon 50mm lens with the Viltrox EF to EFM adapter. So this is just a lens I like to have in my bag just because it's such a tighter focal length than the lenses that I carry, like the 23mm I'm shooting on right now. But it's a great lens. It's my backpack. This is gonna go inside. And then the other lens I have is the Canon kit lens. The best part about this lens is that when you use it on my camera, the Canon M200, you can actually use IBS, which is in-body stabilization, and it makes the footage look so good. And in this pocket, I have some filters. So this is a step-up ring, actually, for just in case you ever need a step-up ring, you know? You never know we have to throw a filter on something, so that's always convenient to have. And here's the filter I like to use for the 15mm and the 50mm. It's just a variable ND filter, which is great to use when you are out and about and it is really sunny out. So put that over there. And then just because I wear contacts, so I always keep an extra pair of contacts with me. So now let's get to the top compartment. So we're gonna open it on up. And first in this compartment right here, open up the zipper. These are just cables. When I'm out and about, I'll just throw my cables into this pouch. But then over here, we have a portable charger, which is what I use to charge the field monitor, which is what I was talking about. Put that right there. These are my camera batteries. Open them on up. As you can see, I have 3 batteries in there. So the 2 facing up are dead, and the 1 facing down is fully charged, so I need to charge these 2. Then I have a planner, which I used to never carry, but it's pretty convenient when you just run into someone and they want to talk to you about like filming, and you just be like, oh yeah, I'm free this day, that day, and that day. So this is convenient to have. This is my ideas journal that I have, which, you know, is for my ideas. And then the only thing left is my drone. And before I get to the drone, I have some landing gear for my drone, which I also keep in my backpack. This is really cool to have for the drone to land. And I have this little case for my drone. So as you can see inside, cables over here, my remote, an extra battery, and yeah, it's a great case. It's hard shell. And actually, last but not least, the last thing in my backpack is my iPad Pro. And it's just in this Bluetooth case that has a keyboard with it, and it also has the Apple Pencil. So that is what is in my backpack. I'm sorry this video was a little rushed, but I just want to try to get this video out by midnight. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Again, I'm sorry it was rushed, but come back next week for another video on Monday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.